Welcome to Studebaker East Residence Hall. Nestled in the heart of Ball State's vibrant campus, Studebaker East, affectionately known across campus as Stu East, stands as a beacon of comfort and convenience. This co-educational residence hall underwent an extensive renovation in 2012, transforming it into a modern, well-equipped living space for students seeking a fulfilling residential experience. For students at Ball State who rely on bicycles as their primary mode of transportation, Stu East offers a convenient and secure solution for storing their bikes. Thoughtfully positioned bike racks located outside the building provide a designated area for residents to safely lock up their bikes while not in use. Located in the main lobby of the building, the front desk serves as the central resource hub for residents living in Studebaker East. At the front desk, students can learn about various services including checking out cooking utensils, securing a large vacuum, borrowing board games, obtaining hall information and campus resources, receiving packages, and connecting with hall staff. The Studebaker East lobby is a sun-drenched space that seemingly blends comfort and functionality. Whether seeking a cozy spot to unwind with friends or a quiet corner to focus on studies, the lobby caters to a variety of needs. A versatile multi-purpose room is conveniently located on the first floor of the building near the front desk, offering students with a flexible space for various gatherings and events. The Stu East RLC will use their personal discretion to reserve the room for residents. Residents in Stu East can locate their mailboxes on the first floor of the building. Upon move-in day, each student will be given a specific mailbox number and key, facilitating the direct receiving of mail at their residence hall. For information regarding mail in the halls, including the hall address, students can refer to their front desk. Resident rooms in Studebaker East have been specifically designed to enhance the on-campus living experience. Inside a standard double room, students will find 2 beds, 2 desks, each with its own chair, 2 dressers, and 2 bulletin boards. The adjustable and easy-to-move furniture in Stu East provides residents with the freedom to arrange their rooms according to their preferences and needs. Whether it's creating a cozy study nook, a dedicated relaxation area, or a shared workspace, the layout of the room can seamlessly adapt to individual styles. Standard double rooms also have 1 floor-to-ceiling closet divided into 2 sides, 1 for each resident. Upon arrival to campus, students will receive detailed instructions on how to connect their devices to Ball State's secure network. Residents have the option to rent a mini fridge microwave combo for their rooms, adding convenience and flexibility to their daily routines. Students are also welcome to bring their own mini fridges and microwaves as long as they adhere to the specific regulations outlined on the Ball State Housing website. Rooms also come equipped with trash and recycling cans, and a designated trash room can be found on each floor. Additionally, each floor has a designated custodian who helps to keep the communal space of the floor clean and removes the trash from the room daily. Spread across the residential floors in Stu East are semi-private bathrooms. This is where a limited number of students, or several rooms, share 1 bathroom pod. Access to these bathroom pods is granted through Ball State ID cards, and only students assigned to a specific bathroom can gain entry. The maintenance and cleanliness of these bathroom pods are a part of the regular cleaning routine performed by the floor's custodian. For residents of Studebaker East, keeping their clothes clean and fresh is a breeze thanks to the convenient and accessible laundry facility located on the first floor of the building. Equipped with multiple washing machines and dryers, the laundry facility is open 24 hours a day, allowing residents to fit laundry into their busy schedules at their convenience. To ensure that the laundry facility remains exclusive to residents, access is controlled by key cards, granting only residents of the hall the ability to enter this space. Residents have 2 convenient options for paying for their laundry: coins or the Speed Queen mobile app. By using the Speed Queen app, residents can seamlessly pay for their laundry using digital payment methods, eliminating the need to carry around coins. The Speed Queen app offers additional benefits, providing real-time laundry machine availability and sending notifications when laundry cycles are complete. This feature allows residents to plan their laundry schedule efficiently and avoid unnecessary trips to the laundry facility. Maintaining an active lifestyle is also easy at Stu East because of the in-hall workout space provided for residents to use. Simply by swiping their Ball State ID cards, residents gain access to a comprehensive range of exercise equipment catering to diverse fitness needs and preferences. From treadmills and ellipticals to free weights and weight machines, the center has everything residents need to tend to their bodies and enhance their fitness journey. Whipping up a quick meal or enjoying a yummy snack is always within reach thanks to the conveniently located kitchenettes found on multiple floors throughout Stu East. Each fully equipped kitchenette features a full-size refrigerator, an oven-stove combo, a microwave, a sink, and ample cabinet space to store kitchen essentials. Students are also welcome to utilize the appliances and can even check out items such as pots, pans, measuring cups, utensils, and more from their front desk. Residents will also find large study and lounge areas near each kitchenette. Students can use these spaces for social gatherings, study groups, ping pong games, or watching TV. Residents of Studebaker East also have access to a private, calming music practice space. This room is thoughtfully designed to minimize distractions, allowing residents to fully immerse themselves in their musical endeavors. When seeking a more relaxed setting for studying or casual socializing, residents can utilize the numerous lounge areas scattered throughout Stu East. These lounges feature comfortable couches, armchairs, tables, desks, and even TVs, creating an inviting atmosphere for group discussions, study breaks, or simply hanging out with friends. Studebaker East is home to the Kinesiology Living-Learning Community, and kinesiology majors call this hall home. The Kinesiology LLC provides residents with a stimulating and supportive environment where they can immerse themselves in their academic pursuits while forging meaningful connections with like-minded peers. At the heart of the Kinesiology LLC lies a dedicated makerspace, a haven for students to engage in hands-on learning and collaborative projects. Equipped with a range of resources including a life-size skeletal model, bodily anatomy diagrams, and various tools and materials, the makerspace serves as a catalyst for creativity and academic exploration. Studebaker East Hall is more than just a resident hall. It's a vibrant hub of activity, a sanctuary for academic excellence, and a place full of hall pride. Residents can expect an enriching and fulfilling living experience where personal growth, academic success, and community spirit converge. To learn more details about Studebaker East and its resources, visit our website at bsu.edu/housing.